Hi, my name is Monica Chavaniak and I'm here with Fearless Cooking. Today we're going to do a very quick salmon salad. It's a hot salmon salad. I have some beautiful coho, wild salmon coho, and we're just going to start it. Little butter. I like to mix it with a little bit of oil. The butter won't be burning it. Saute some shallots, some garlic, just a little bit of salt. And I'm just going to put the salmon in here. It's enough for 2 or 3 people. I could have sliced it up, but I like to cook it whole and then rip it apart. Salt, pepper, nice organic kernel of corn, BC corn. It only takes a few minutes to do the salmon. You don't want to overcook it. I'm also going to do some zest of lemon on it. And some lemon. Just take the salmon like this. Some Worcester. Salmon shouldn't be overcooked. In the meantime, let's just get the plate for it. I have here some arugula, and I'm going to put a little bit of apple cider vinegar on it, and you can either put olive oil, I have avocado oil at the moment, just mix it up. I have some mint here that I'm going to mix on top. A little bit more lemon. Come over here, my butter. There we go. Let's decorate it with some tomatoes, fresh garden tomatoes, a beautiful little summer salad, some green onions for show, and here we are. Salmon salad, fresh, 5 minutes, very lovely dinner, nice glass of wine, a summer evening on the patio is all ready. If you enjoyed this session, please click some buttons, come back to me, and we'll do some more cooking. In the meantime, be fearless in your cooking.